Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Ox on the Run, and we are going to show you this Holiday Rambler Nautica 33TL. So come on inside.
Holiday Rambler Nautica 33T with 340 horsepower diesel engine with a 700-pound torque. Hitch rating is 10,000 pounds. That's a nice feature to be able to haul your tote in there. Fuel capacity tank is 100 gallon. You got 6,000 watt Onan generator on board, and you got an aqua hut system here, on demand system. Fresh water tank will hold up to 95 gallon, people. This is a nice self-contained unit. It's kind of nice. Outside entertainment center, so whoever wants to watch the game should have access to the TV, but they lock it here. I don't know why. So as we can see, we got Freightliner chassis on here. We got surge protector coming up. We also have Magna inverter 2000 watt series. We got all the access to some part of the hydraulic system. This is, you can see the exhaust, those DEF new exhaust system. That's what you're seeing at the bottom. You got the battery hookup and all in there. So this is a nice unit featured by Holiday Rambler as a Nautica. Backup camera, all the details that you need are on there. So now let's go inside to go see what Laurel has to show us.
All right guys, we are going to go inside this Nautica 33TL, so come on inside. It's nice and cool in here. Coming into the cockpit area, I'm telling you, I sat in these seats. You want to talk about a comfortable ride? You are not going to be uncomfortable in this coach. Everything is soft and cushy. You've got your double love seat over here with a lot of storage right here beside it for all of your remotes, and you've got drink spots, a lot of storage above as well. Over on this side, we've got the TV above the dinette. So this dinette actually folds down into a sleeping, and again, I'm telling you, this is really soft material. You will not be uncomfortable sitting here having lunch. Coming into the kitchen area, you've got your solid surface countertops with your full basin sink underneath here. You've got your dual burner induction stove, and you've got your convection microwave oven above here. And as well, a residential refrigerator, which is locked, which is fine. Across from the fridge, we have the bathroom and shower. This bathroom has a lot of storage in it. For this size unit, the storage is pretty amazing. I would call it, coming into the master suite, I would call it abundant storage. You've got a full closet. As you can see, light comes on. You've got your area to have washer and dryer, or it also can be closet space. King bed. Here you've got your television, and this unit has two fireplaces. One that happens to be at the foot of your bed, which is amazing, and that will take the edge off the cool in the cool evenings or mornings. So we hope you're enjoying this video. Stick around to the end, and we're going to share with you our favorite features about this particular unit. Okay, so we're going to share with you our favorite features on this unit, and I'm going to start above the cockpit area. I forgot to tell you, there is a hide-a-bed up there that comes down, so when you've got people here to visit, they can actually sleep up there. Pierre, what's your favorite?
For a mid-range, well, higher mid-range price, but for about $280, that's what they're claiming for this unit. It's a nice mid-range unit. Everything is nice. What's my favorite? I don't even know what's my favorite. It's always about beautiful. The same thing. It's always about the floor.
What about where you're sitting?
Well, okay, there you go. That would make sense. That's the first time in our dinette life that you actually have cushion, that you can actually sit here and it's not a foam of 3.5 inches, just like
this is the most comfortable dinette I have ever sat in. Yeah. I'm telling you, it is so comfy.
Yeah, it is kind of phenomenal a little bit. So yeah.
So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.